In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Saty Pivot Ribbon Indicators in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the Saty Pivot Ribbon Indicator, how to add it to your charts, how to remove it if you need to, and how to get started with a TradingView Pro account using the link in the description. Let's start right on your TradingView chart. When you have your chart open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access the entire library of built-in and community indicators. Once the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field. This makes it easy to jump straight to the specific tool you want instead of scrolling through long lists of indicators you may never use. Now, in that search bar, start typing Saty Pivot Ribbon. Type it carefully so it shows up correctly in the results. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. When you see the Saty Pivot Ribbon indicator appear, click on it once. As soon as you do that, it will be added directly to your chart, usually overlaying your price action as a ribbon style guide. With the indicator now on your chart, you might want to tweak how it looks or how it calculates levels. To do that, move your mouse over the name of the indicator that appears at the top of your chart area. You'll see a small settings icon next to the name. Click on that icon to open the settings panel. Here you can adjust inputs, cursor, colors, line styles, and visibility. Take a moment to explore these options so the Saty Pivot Ribbon matches your trading style and is easy to read on your screen. If at any point you decide you don't want the indicator on your chart, removing it is just as simple. Again, hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart. This time, instead of clicking the settings icon, click on the remove option. That will instantly clear the Saty Pivot Ribbon from your chart without affecting any of your other indicators or chart drawings. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features and indicators, use the sign up link in the description below. That link will take you directly to the TradingView page where you can create or upgrade your account and start using tools like the Saty Pivot Ribbon to their full potential.